Hey you guys, Cece back with another video, and I'm super excited to be sitting down and filming because I feel like I have not sat down and filmed in such a long time. It's been like a week since the last time I filmed a video, which is a very long time for me because I film 2 to 3 times a week, honestly. So it's just been crazy around here. So thank you guys for hanging in there with me. Hopefully you guys have been enjoying my content, and yeah, let's get into my intro. So clearly it has been a while because you guys can see I'm super excited and I'm just sitting here rambling. But today's video is going to be another anti-haul. It's actually going to be the last anti-haul plus shopping list of the year. The fact that I can say it's the last anything of the year is just cray cray, but it is. The year is almost over. This year has given us so many different products that I purchased and so many different products that I passed on. So before we get started, if this is your first time watching, do me a quick favor, look down below and go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you join the family coming into 2019 with me. And for all of you guys, YouTube continues to play us on the notifications. So just make sure your notification bells are clicked. Even if you have them clicked, click it and unnotify yourself, and then click it again and re-notify yourself just to make sure that you will be getting the notifications for the new year. But without any further ado, let's jump into this anti-haul plus shopping list. So I'm sitting here looking at my phone, you guys. So many good items have come out, and then there's also some items that are like, eh. So let's go ahead and start on a high note, and we're gonna start with the Fenty Beauty lip gloss. This is one of her gloss bombs, and she has a new one called Fussy. This one I actually already purchased. It should be at my house tomorrow, so I'm really excited. I have her other 2 gloss bombs. I think it's the Diamond Milk, the Diamond Milk and the Fenty Glow, and I absolutely love both of them. I only use the Diamond Milk ever so often because it's like an icy white, but you can't really see it on your lips. But the Fenty Glow I love, love, love. So I'm hoping I like this one in Fussy even better. It has like a pink tint to it, and Rihanna kills it with these glosses, I'm telling you. So if you haven't tried one of her glosses, go ahead and check it out. Oh, and you guys, if you were wondering about this makeup, I did an entire YouTube live on this makeup look, so go ahead and check out that video. I'll link it right here. I done forgot what side the link is on. Y'all see it. I'll link it in the card, so go ahead and check that live out so you can see how I got this amazing look. But anyway, moving on, the next product that I see is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Stick Foundation. Comes in 21 shades, long lasting, medium to full coverage, and supposed to give you a flawless satin matte finish. For this, I don't know. I'm still on the edge about if I want to purchase this. It has not come out yet, and there is no release date as of the day I'm filming this, but I'm kind of obsessed with foundation sticks, so I may just purchase it to try it. And since it's Wet n Wild, it's probably like $5 or $6, which is super affordable. I don't know if I'm going to purchase this or not. The only thing I'm hesitating on is because it says the satin finish, and me and satin finishes don't always mesh well together, even though I feel like my skin is changing and I'm not as oily as I used to be. Oh, you guys, I don't know. That one's on my maybe list. Next is this bomb ass brow set by Desi Perkins and Benefit. They did a collab where she has a lot of some of my favorite brow products in an actual set, and it's $59. Now you guys know that I love me some Benefit brow products. That's actually what I'm wearing on my brows today. However, I am not paying $59 for this set. Okay, so it comes with the pencil, it comes with a small version of the pomade, the brow gel, the highbrow, which is your eyebrow highlighter, and then eyebrow powder, and then it also comes with an angled brush. So for $59, that's definitely a deal with how much those products will cost you if you buy them individually. But usually if you're a powder person, you're a powder person. If you're a pencil brow person, you're a pencil brow person. If you're a pomade brow person, you're a pomade brow person. You're not a pencil, powder, and pomade person, you know what I mean? So I feel like you're not gonna use some of the products that come in this set, and therefore it may not be worth it for you. At least for me, I know it's not gonna be worth it. I probably would hardly ever use the powder. I definitely use the pencil up, but I probably hardly ever use the powder, and I have a million angled brushes, so I don't need another one. So for 60 bucks, I just don't feel like it would be worth it for me personally. Alright, so let's go into Julius Place. So like I said, I just actually did a live for this look, and I was talking to you guys about what makeup brands I was using, and someone asked me about Julius Place. So I haven't bought a Julius Place palette in a while, and someone had the perfect word for why, and they were like, I feel like their palettes have just been so random lately, and I think that's the reason I haven't bought it. Like, one, I know they're super pigmented, and I really love that. They're super affordable, pigmented, just beautiful, but sometimes I feel like the color placements, I agree, have been pretty random lately. And it's a brand that brings you a lot of color, a lot of good color in their palettes, and this new one, I like, but I don't know. I don't know. Julius Place, I'm on the fence about them as of late. The palettes that they have are really nice. They're just not everyday palettes, and I feel like I don't know how the brand will sustain if they don't make some palettes that we all can use, because everyone's just not going to use a palette like this, and this is actually even more one of the subdued ones that have come out recently. So this one is it comes in the new Tribe collection, and I don't know what it's called though. I think it's just called the Tribe eyeshadow palette, and so really pretty with the oranges and greens, and then it has like that pop of like jewel tone blue in there. But again, I just feel like it's something I wouldn't get a lot of use out of, and I feel like most people wouldn't get a lot of use out of this, so I will not be purchasing this. So another Benefit product that's supposed to be coming out is this Benefit Hoola bronzer, and it's supposed to come out in 2 darker shades. So I just gotta put my phone down for this. I have been wanting to try the Benefit Hoola bronzer for the longest. I have heard it's such an amazing bronzer. The formula is just so beautiful. Benefit just does it so amazingly. But obviously, I can't try the Hoola bronzer because it is not my shade. Hoola has been out for years. I mean, probably since I started YouTube almost. For years and years and years. We're talking 5, 6 years at this point. Maybe longer, that Hoola has been out and has been called this amazing bronzer. So last year or the year before, they came out with the Hoola Light. So there's a whole demographic of women and men who cannot wear the regular Hoola, like just can't wear it. So if you are just really pale, you can still wear regular Hoola. It'll be a little dark, but if you blend it out, honey, you can do that and you can still wear it. But there's a whole demographic of deeper skin toned men and women who just can't touch Hoola at all. And they decided to come out with the Hoola Light and then wait another year or two to now bring us some darker shades. And like in my mind and in my heart, I feel like it's almost too little too late. Like, damn, like why were we last as usual? I don't know why I'm still asking the question. I know why we're last, but damn, it's so aggravating sometimes. But I really want to freaking try this bronzer, and I'm pissed off at myself because I want to try it, and I'm probably about 80% sure that I'm gonna buy this bronzer. I am, and I can't help myself. I'm about 80% sure that I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna purchase it, but it just really pisses me off that in 2018 going into 2019 we're still talking about equality and just getting shades that I can freaking use. Like, Benefit has been out, like this box bronzer has been out forever, and I think it's ridiculous that they are just now getting around to getting darker shades. So I had to get on my soapbox and give that little rant because I'm gonna try it. I can say it pretty definitively. I'm going to try it, but it does piss me off that it took this long. So okay, so while I'm on my soapbox, I might as well stay on my soapbox and let's talk about Guerlain. And I don't know if, let me just say, I've been doing some research and I haven't been able to find it, but I saw this picture on Trend Mood on Instagram and I was like, are you kidding me? So Guerlain, which I probably wasn't gonna buy this anyway, but But now I'm really not going to purchase it if this is the case, because they're coming out with a Lay Essential Natural Glow 16-hour wear foundation. And Trend Mood, I believe, I don't know if this is the full line or not. I'm hoping it's not, but again, I can't find any other photos. Trend Mood posted this photo, and this is like 50 shades of beige, honey. 50 shades of beige, of white, whatever you want to call it. Not one shade in here reaches me. Not one reaches my skin tone. So I'm hoping this isn't the full range, Guerlain. I'm hoping you wouldn't do us like that. I don't know what their ranges usually look like. They're a very high-end brand, and I know a lot of very high-end brands seem to forget the really deep shades. But again, I don't know what their ranges usually look like. I've never bought anything from Guerlain, so I'll give them the benefit of the doubt. Hopefully I can find something else, but if that photo is true, real disappointed. Real disappointed. So I just have a couple more products here. Huda Beauty actually came out with a perfume, a fragrance, and it's available at Sephora. It's called the K Ali fragrance, and y'all, it's like $118. That's how much it is for her fragrance. It looks like a pretty big bottle, but $118, girl, damn. I'll definitely be passing on that. Like, just hard pass, hard pass. And the last product that I wanted to talk to you guys about, it's a definite yes for me. This is the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Concealer. This is supposed to come out in a few months. I don't know exactly when, but Makeup Forever Ultra HD Concealer, like, yes. Y'all know I love my concealer. So when I saw this photo, I was super excited about it, and I can't wait for it to surface in Sephora. I'll definitely be purchasing that one. But that's it, you guys. That is all for this video. That's everything that I will and will not be purchasing. This is going to be my last anti-haul plus shopping list of 2018. So I hope you guys enjoyed them this year, and they will definitely be following us in next year. Y'all know when the top of the year comes, so many new products and new releases start launching, and I'll be there to let you know about them every step of the way. Once again, don't forget to comment, like this video, and also subscribe to my channel if you have not. Also, make sure you head on over to my family vlog channel, Bradley TV. There you get to see a lot of behind the scenes stuff with me, my husband, my family, all of that good stuff. Make sure you head on over there because we're also in the middle of Vlogmas. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your support, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye, guys.